So this is a prototype of a salt shooting device. This one's designed to work with a Crosman 1600, and this is the barrel, simulating the barrel of it here. And this is the body of the device here, the green. And so what would happen is the barrel would slide in and get clicked into place, and an O-ring would secure it there. And this is the magazine. This is a 10-shot magazine. It's filled with salt, and you use fine tissue paper on both sides glued to secure the salt inside the cylinder. And the cylinder inserts into this adapter here, like so, and it clicks on the first cylinder is not loaded. There's this spring-loaded bulb here that goes into there, and it makes it indents into each one of these cylinders as they get shot. So that would go in and get indented into the first one and stop. And this red thing, this is the barrel that will be fixed into place, and that's a standard aluminum tubing for making an arrow, so you can cut it to any length. I'm going to 3D print this just to simulate and try to decide what's the best size load, the amount of salt. This is about a 10 millimeter thick by 9 millimeter diameter, and so this the barrel here is about a 9 millimeter diameter barrel. And this particular device is designed to use the Crosman CO2 pistol that gets clicked into place here and secured with an O-ring. There's also an O-ring that goes around this channel here that actually acts as a spring to trap that as the shots are taken. It indents in. So this is a 10-shot magazine here, or actually 9-shot. The first shot is not loaded. So this is what have designed and 3D printing to test the proper sizes of and velocities of salt loads to figure out what is the optimum in performance. I can use this to test the size of the salt and the amount of salt and the velocity. I also have another adapter block here that's designed to use a Crosman 760 pump. And so with that one, I can vary the power pretty much anywhere I want. Of course, it's just a slightly different block than this one. So this is that's a look how it's going to look. You can sort of see through this this green piece here. I've left it translucent so you can kind of see what's going on inside there. And then later I can change the length of the barrel. I'll be experimenting with the length of the barrel, and I'm not going to change the diameter of the barrel because I've got a aluminum tubing that I've decided I'm going to use as the barrel. It's a hardened aluminum, and so it's going to be 9 millimeter diameter.